Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial, how to change your email on Zoom in 2025. Whether you've switched email providers, changed jobs, or just need to update your info for better security, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in under a minute. Zoom is a staple for virtual meetings, and keeping your details current ensures you don't miss any important notifications. So, let's jump right in. First things first. Open your web browser and head to the Zoom website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your current credentials to sign in. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down until you find the Email or Contact Information section. Here, you'll see your current email address displayed. Click on the edit icon, which might look like a pencil, to make changes. Type in your new email address carefully, double-check for typos to avoid any verification issues. After entering the new email, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Zoom may send a verification email to your new address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Open that email and click the verification link to confirm the change. This step is crucial to activate your updated email and prevent any access problems. If you encounter any errors, like email already in use, try logging out and back in, or contact Zoom support through their help center. It's a simple process, but staying proactive helps. And there you have it. Your email on Zoom is now up to date for 2025. This small update can make a big difference in your digital life. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more tech tips, and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.